Hi everyone, let's go to one of our video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger that's made by Campbell Collectibles, but it's basically the Highway 61 Dodge Dart I've shown before in an orange color with a black top. So let's unbox it and take a better look. But before I do so, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and click the bell for news. So let's go on. So once we've unboxed the Dodge Dart, we can now take a better look at it. I have already taken the clips that hold the hood down so it won't fly open when you speed up too much. And we can take a better look at the engine. Well, let's look at the front first. One thing I like about those Highway 61 cars is even when they don't make a grill as a front grill, they reproduce it with such rich details, with such quality that they really look very realistic. As we can see, those bumpers here are very realistic as well as the trim around the headlights. The headlights themselves, the blinkers, everything in this car is really perfect. Let's pop the hood open and take a look at the engine. This very nice 340 4-barrel engine with the battery, the alternator, all cables and wires and hoses and brake systems, reservoirs, and all that stuff that's supposed to be in an engine bay, as well as the engine bay that's very well made with all welding and details we find in a real car. So that's really very, very realistic. Well, let's move on to the interior. The interior of this car is really very nice. As we can see, the bench seats with the 4-on-the-floor stick shift. This door panels, these door panels and door openings, which are really perfect, as well as the vent windows that open and close, just like any other darts. And front and back seats are perfect. The carpet inside, the rubber mats, the pedals, steering wheel, the seat belts, headliner, sun visors, everything here in this car is really perfect, is really well taken care of, and really well reproduced. That's why I like Highway 61 and Dodge Dart so much. The rear is also very nice with this rear bumper that's typical of 1970 with those very realistic tail lights, and the trunk, which is made with perfection with this plastic mat, the jack, the gas pipe, the hinges, and the trunk lid, which is very realistic and even has the factory stickers and the emblems and badges right here. The lock here is cast in metal, but it's perfectly cast in metal, as well as this stripe here that looks very nice. Perhaps it would be a little bit better if it were in black. It would perhaps it would be more attractive with this lime green color. But the white color with the lime green still look very nice. It looks awesome. I like this dual exhaust as well. This car is really fantastic. Last but not least, let's look at the bottom. But before, let's take a closer look at those wheels and tires, which are really perfect. We can see that the wheels, the nuts, the tires, the rims are all done with perfection. And as we look at the bottom, we can see that this car, which is a unibody, has a perfect bottom in all details. As we look at suspension that actually works, both front and rear. The drive shaft that turns as we turn the rear wheels, the steering system that actually works as well, and the radiator, suspension items, and the front structure, they're all perfect. This car is really fantastic. That's why I like Dodge Dart so much, and I like Highway 61 as one of my favorite diecast car brands. So let's set the Dodge here and close the video right here. I'd like to thank you for watching the video, for leaving your likes and comments, for all subscriptions, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to share this video, and to give me a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.